Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll learn some concepts related to chords of a circle. So, coming to first one, a straight line drawn from center of a circle to bisect a chord which is not a diameter is at right angles to the chord. So, there is a circle and a chord. So, let's say this is the circle, okay, with center O. And there is a chord which is not the diameter. Okay, chord which is not a diameter मतलब ये chord center से pass नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, that is what it means. So it should be any chord but not the diameter. So if you draw a straight line from center of the circle to this chord, ठीक है, to bisect the chord which is not a diameter, it is at right angles to the chord. So if you are drawing a straight line to this chord, ओके, टू बाइसेक्ट दिस कॉर्ड मतलब ये कॉर्ड को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ से एक सेगमेंट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो यू आर ड्रॉइंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू दिस कॉर्ड, ओके, सच दैट इट इज बाइसेक्टिंग द कॉर्ड मतलब इट इज डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. लेट्स से दिस इज ए बी एंड दिस इज एम. So OM is bisecting chord AB, that is AM is equal to MB. So if this OM is bisecting AB, then it is at right angles to the chord. It means that OM is also perpendicular to AB. Then it implies that OM is perpendicular to AB. So if you are drawing a line from center of the circle to the chord which is not a diameter, diameter नहीं होना चाहिए, diameter होगा तो क्या होगा, वो center से ही पास होगा, तो center से line कैसे draw करोगे. ओके, तो वो कोई भी chord होना चाहिए except diameter. Then if you draw a straight line from center to the chord such that it is bisecting the chord, okay, ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है कि इट इज़ बाइसेक्टिंग दैट कॉर्ड, डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो इफ इट इज़ डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, देन इट इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस कॉर्ड. इट अप्लाइज फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल. ठीक है, सो इफ आई एम ड्रॉइंग से अनदर कॉर्ड, ओके, एंड मैं यहाँ से आई एम बाइसेक्टिंग दिस कॉर्ड. This is, let's say, PQ and this is L. Then OL is bisecting this. तो इसका मतलब क्या इम्प्लाई हो रहा है, that OL is perpendicular to PQ. That is what it implies. Okay. Second point, the perpendicular to a chord from the center of the circle bisects the chord. This is the other way around. If you are drawing perpendicular to a chord, okay, ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये सर्कल कंसिडर करते हैं. O is the center, perpendicular to a chord, ये chord है AB. So if we are drawing perpendicular from the center, okay, so if we are drawing perpendicular, it means that it is bisecting the chord, मतलब ये equal parts में divide कर रहा है. So it is the other way around. So if OM is perpendicular to AB, then it implies that OM bisects AB. That is, AM is equal to MB. Okay, this is the other way around. Let us consider one more chord. ऐसे है कोई chord and you are drawing a perpendicular to this chord, okay, then it implies that it is bisecting the chord. Okay, so OG, if it is perpendicular to this chord RS, then automatically it implies that RG is equal to GS. Okay, you need to know these concepts because you have to use these in the problems that you will be solving, in the exercises that you will be solving. Okay, so these are the concepts that you need to know. So third one, greater is the size of a chord, smaller is its distance from the center, and vice versa. So let us consider this one, first figure. Greater the size of the chord, smaller is its distance from the center. Okay, opposite होता है, inverse है relation. So यहाँ पे एक chord है, यहाँ पे एक chord है. Now it is obvious that this chord is of greater length compared to this chord if you measure it. Okay, तो ये chord का size is greater than ये chord. Okay, so let's say this is AB and this is CD. So greater the size of the chord, smaller is its distance from the center. मतलब इसका distance देखो, it is so less, but इसका distance measure करोगे from this point, then it is greater. Okay, so greater the size of the chord, smaller is its distance from the center. O P का distance देखो, O Q का distance देखो. So you can see AB is of greater length. So OP is, the distance OP is small. Over here it's the other way around. The chord CD, okay, is of shorter length, but the distance is more from the center. Okay, so greater the size of the chord, lesser is its distance, and other way around as well. ठीक है, and vice versa. So if the distance is more, it means that the chord is of smaller length. Okay, now coming to fourth one, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. So if you have two equal chords, okay, let's say ये दोनों chords equal है, equal length के है. Okay, so let's say if this is 10 centimeter, ये भी 10 centimeter है. So if you take two chords of equal length of a circle, we are talking about the same circle. If equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center, so ये दोनों equal है, by default they are at equal distance from the center. मतलब ये center से इसका distance and इसका distance same होगा. So if this is AB, this is CD, and this is PQ, then OP and OQ will also be same. Equal chords है, then by default उनका distance from the center is also equal. Okay, so if this is 3 centimeter का distance, this is also 3 centimeter का distance. Okay, so equal chords of circle are equidistant from the center. Now this is opposite, fifth वाला. Chords of a circle equidistant from the center of the circle are equal. So we are proving the other way around now. Okay, so if chords are equidistant from the center, let's say यहाँ से मैं 2 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे एक chord ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, and यहाँ से at 2 centimeter distance I am drawing another chord. Okay, they are separate chords. ठीक है, let's say this is AB, this is CD. ठीक है, these two are not meeting. ठीक है, separate chords है. So ये भी 2 सेंटीमीटर है, ये भी 2 सेंटीमीटर है. Equidistant from center. Chords of circle equidistant from center are equal. Means AB and CD दोनों का length equal होगा. Okay, if AB is 12 centimeters, CD भी 12 centimeters होगा. AB 8 centimeters होगा तो CD भी 8 centimeters होगा. So if the distance from the center is equal, then chords are equal, and here it is opposite. If chords are equal, then distance is equal. Okay, so both ways it applies. And over here, greater the distance of the chord from the center, smaller is the chord, and closer the chord to the center, okay, greater is its length. Okay, so that is why you understand diameter is the longest chord, because उसका distance from the center is 0. That is why diameter is the longest chord, because उसका distance is 0. वो center से ही pass हो रहा है, तो center से उसका distance क्या हुआ, 0 ही हुआ. Okay, so that is why the greater the distance of the chord from the center, smaller is the chord, and lesser the distance of the chord from the center, the greater is the length of the chord. Okay.